Good morning, students. Today we discuss about carbene ion. So, first of all, what is carbene ion? So, the compound which contains active methylene groups that are nothing but we call as a carbene ion or active methylene compounds. Means, if we take one example, so now EAA. The formula of EAA, ethyl acetoacetate. The formula CH3, C double bond O, CH2, C double bond O, OC2H5. The name is ethyl acetoacetate. Ethyl acetoacetate. Simply we call as a EAA. And second example is melanoic ester. Melanoic ester. The formula of melanoic ester CH2, C double bond O, C double bond O, OC2H5, OC2H5. So, this name is melanoic ester or ethyl melanoate. Ethyl melanoate. Ethyl melanoate. Or melanoic ester. Melanoic ester. In this compound, the carbon CH3 in this loss of one hydrogen, the carbon contain negative charge. At the same time, in this compound, that is ethyl melanoate or melanoic ester, in this CH2, the CH2, if loss of one hydrogen, the carbon having negative charge. So, carbon having negative charge, in this the methylene group having negative charge, that's why it is the active methylene group. That's why we call as a carbene ion. So, first we discuss about Claisen condensation reaction from EAA. Now, Claisen condensation reaction. We discuss about Claisen condensation reaction. This is useful for preparation of EAA. Claisen condensation reaction. Condensation reaction. The reaction is useful for preparation of ethyl acetoacetate. Preparation of ethyl acetoacetate. In this reaction, first we take ethyl acetate CH3, C double bond O, C2H5. We take 2 moles, that's why we write double time CH3, C double bond O, C2H5. Now, the compound react with sodium ethoxide C2H5ONA. Sodium ethoxide. So, in this loss of C2H5OH. Ethyl alcohol. OH functional group, alcohol group. That's why it is the ethyl group. Ethyl alcohol. Finally, we get EAA. So, the Claisen condensation reaction finally gives EAA, CH3, C double bond O, CH2, C double bond O, OC2H5. So the mechanism, we discuss about mechanism. Now first we take 1 mole of ethyl acetate. So first we take CH3, C double bond O, C2H5. So now in this it react with C2H5O, means C2H5O sodium ethoxide equilibrium C2H5O minus and Na plus. So in this we take 1 mole of ethyl acetate. The ethyl acetate react with C2H5O minus. C2H5O minus. So now in this CH3, in this loss of one hydrogen, if our convenient we write like this CH2 and H. So loss of H plus C2H5O minus. So C2H5OH. So loss of ethyl alcohol. So hydrogen leave from this compound as a H plus. That's why carbon having a negative charge, CH2 minus C double bond O, OC2H5. Now the another mole of ethyl acetate react with this carbon ion. So now CH3, C double bond O, OC2H5. In this carbon and oxygen having double bond, so electron polarize carbon to oxygen. Oxygen get negative charge, carbon get positive charge. So in this carbon ion, the carbon ion compound CH2 minus attract C plus, minus plus, make a bond. So now the formation CH3 and CO minus. Our convenient we write OC2H5. Next continuation CH2, C double bond O, C2H5. C2H5. So now loss of OC2H5. So in this Na plus balance, this is the positive. If oxygen C2H5, so OC2H5 if eliminate from this carbon, so this eliminate as a negative charge, carbon having a positive charge. So positive and a negative make a bond. Finally formation sodium ethoxide C2H5ONa, sodium ethoxide. So it eliminate as a negative charge, that's why carbon having a positive charge. Positive and negative make a bond. CH3, C double bond O, CH2, C double bond O, C2H5. So finally we get our EAA. EAA nothing but ethyl acetoacetate. Ethyl acetoacetate. EAA formed. So this is the Claisen condensation reaction. Very important reaction. Next we discuss about synthetic application of EAA. In this monocarboxylic acid preparations and dicarboxylic acid preparations are there. Now we discuss about monocarboxylic acid preparation. Now we discuss acetic acid preparation. Acetic acid preparation. First one, acetic acid preparation. Acetic acid preparation. In this, the reactant is EAA. The formula CH3, C double bond O, CH2, C double bond O, OC2H5. This is the EAA. The EAA going on hydrolysis, 2 moles of H2O. 2 moles of H2O. Breakages occur like this. The product is CH3, C double bond O, OH. Means HOH. Next HOH. CH3, C double bond O, OH plus CH3, C double bond O, OH plus C2, H5, OH. In this, 2 moles of acetic acid prepared. Next one, second one, propanoic acid preparation. Propanoic acid preparation. Propanoic acid preparation. Propo means in this carbon number 3. The reactant is EAA, CH3, C double bond O, CH2, C double bond O, OC2H5. Now this compound react with Na plus. So our convenient we write CH2 like this. Carbon having 2 hydrogens. So in this loss of H plus. So addition of Na plus. The compound CH3, C double bond O, CH, hydrogen replaced by Na plus. Next C double bond O, OC2H5. So now it react with CH3Cl, methyl chloride. CH3Cl, methyl chloride. So Na plus replaced by CH3. Now the compound is CH3, C double bond O, CH3, C double bond O, OC2H5. Next, the alkyl containing compound going to hydrolysis, 2 moles. Now breakages occur like this. HOH. So now the final product is CH3, C double bond O, OH plus next CH3, CH and another H, CH2, next C double bond O, OH, and next one C2H5OH, alcohol, ethyl alcohol. This is the ethyl alcohol. So this is the propo 1, 2, 3 carbon. So this name is propanoic acid. This functional group, carboxylic functional group, the carboxylic functional group, the name is oic acid. So propanoic acid, the name is propanoic acid. Propanoic acid, noic acid. So this is the preparation of acetic acid and propanoic acid. Next we discuss about butanoic acid and isobutanoic acid. Now we discuss about butanoic acid preparation as well as propanoic acid preparation. So in this first the reactant is EAA. It react with Na plus. Hydrogen leave from this carbon and hydrogen replaced by Na plus. So that's why sodium containing compound is there. It react with ethyl chloride. Ethyl chloride. So now sodium and chlorine. Na plus Cl minus. Loss of NaCl. Loss of NaCl. Next the carbon having ethyl group CH3CH2. CH3CH2. So now it going for hydrolysis. 2 moles of H2O is there. Go for hydrolysis and now breakages occur. The product is ethyl alcohol C2H5OH. Next butanoic acid CH3CH2 CH2 and COOH. So this is the butanoic acid. Butanoic acid. And finally CH3C double bond OH. So acetic acid. But we want only butanoic acid. This preparation for butanoic acid. That's why. Next we discuss about isobutanoic acid. Isobutanoic acid. Fourth one. Isobutanoic acid preparation. Isobutanoic acid preparation. As well as the EAA is reactant. CH3 C double bond O CH2 C double bond O C2H5. It react with Na plus hydrogen leave from this carbon and addition Na plus CH3 C double bond O CHNa and C double bond O C2H5. It react with in this CH3Cl methyl chloride. So now CH3C double bond O CH. Sodium replaced by CH3. CH3. C double bond O C2H5. Next the carbon having another hydrogen. So it react with Na plus. So now CH3 C double bond O CNa. Next CH3 as well as C double bond O C2H5. Next the sodium replaced by methyl CH3Cl. So loss of Cl and NaCl. The compound is CH3 C double bond O CH3 means sodium replaced by CH3. That's why CH3 and C double bond O C2H5. Next go for hydrolysis. So breakages occur like this. HOH. The final product is CH3 C double bond O CH3 C double bond OH plus. Next our compound isobutanoic acid CH CH3 C double bond OH. Next one, last one, C2H5OH, alcohol, ethyl alcohol. So this is the isobutanoic acid. Isobutanoic acid. Isobutanoic acid. butanoic acid and isobutanoic acid. Next, we discuss about dicarboxylic acid. Dicarboxylic acid preparations. Now we discuss about dicarboxylic acid preparation. In this first one, succinic acid preparation. In this we take 2 moles of EAA, 2 moles of CH3, C double bond O, CH2, C double bond O, OC2H5, OC2H5. Now it react with Na plus, Na plus. So 2 moles of Na plus. Next CH3, C double bond O, CH, C double bond O, OC2H5. Another EAA, we write CH3, C double bond O, CH, C, our convenient right downside, OC2H5. In this, loss of one hydrogen from 1 mole of EAA and loss of another hydrogen from another EAA. So means loss of one hydrogen, loss of one hydrogen. So make bond with Na and Na. Next, as well as it react with I2, iodine. So now Na, 2 moles of Na react with I2. So loss of NaI. How many moles? 2 moles. How many moles? 2 moles. Loss of 2 moles of sodium iodide. So now make a bond with carbon and carbon. CH3, C double bond O, CH, C double bond O, OC2H5. Next bond with another carbon, C double bond O, CH3. Next side, C double hydrogen bond with carbon double bond O, OC2H5. It go for hydrolysis 2 moles H2O, loss hydrogen and OH. Hydrogen and OH. Breakages occur hydrogen and OH as well as hydrogen and OH. The final product is 2 moles of CH3, C double bond O, OH. 2 moles, 1 mole and second mole. Totally 2 moles acetic acid plus hydrogen CH, CH2, C double bond O, OH. Next carbon bond with another carbon CH, CH and H, CH2, C double bond O, OH. This is the succinic acid. The name is succinic acid. Next 2 moles of alcohol, that is the ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol. This name is succinic acid. Succinic acid. The succinic acid is the dicarboxylic acid. Next we discuss about glutamic acid. Next second one, glutaric acid preparation. Glutaric acid preparation. In this, the reactant EAA, we take 2 moles of EAA, CH3, C double bond O, CH2, C double bond O, OC2H5. Same It reacts with 2 moles of Na plus. Next, CH3, C double bond O, CHNA. C double bond O, OC2H5. Next, another EA, CH3, C double bond O, CH and Na. Bond with Na. C double bond O, OC2H5. OC2H5. In this, the compound react with CH2I2. CH2I2. Diiodomethane. Diiodomethane. Now, CH3, C double bond O, CH. In this, loss of NaI, 2 moles of NaI, sodium iodide, loss of sodium iodide. So, balance CH3, C double bond O, CH, C double bond O, OC2H5 and bond with CH2 and CH, C double bond O, OC2H5. Next, C double bond O, CH3. Means CH2 in between CH and CH. Next to go for hydrolysis. 2 moles of H2O. So breakage occur. So HOH. Next HOH. HOH as well as HOH. The product is glutaric acid and acetic acid and ethyl alcohols also prepared. CH3, C double bond O, OH, 2 moles. Next, C2H5OH, 2 moles. C2H5OH, 2 moles. So, our desired compound glutaric acid. CH, C double bond O, OH, CH2, CH2. CH, C double bond O, OH. In this, CH2, CH2, C double bond O, OH, C double bond O, OH. The glutaric acid CH2, CH2. The compound name is glutaric acid. Last one, adipic acid preparation. Adipic acid preparation. Adipic acid preparation. In this, we take 2 moles of EAA, CH3, C double bond O, CH2, C double bond O, OC2H5. It reacts with 2 moles of Na plus. 2 moles of Na plus. Next, CH3, C double bond O, CH2, C double bond O, OC2H5. One hydrogen replaced by Na. So now Na. Another one CH3, C double bond O, CH. Bond with Na. C double bond O, OC2H5. It reacts with ICH2CH2I. The name of the compound is ethylene iodide. Ethylene iodide. So now loss of 2 moles NaI. Sodium iodide. So the compound is formed CH3, C double bond O, CH. C double bond O, OC2H5. Bond with CH2 and CH2. Next to CH. C double bond O, OC2H5. Next C double bond O, CH3. Next to go for hydrolysis. Go for hydrolysis. HOH. Next in this HOH as well as HOH. HOH. Now the products CH3, C double bond O, OH, 2 moles. CH3, C double bond O, OH, CH3, C double bond O, OH. Next our desired compound CH, C double bond O, OH. CH2, CH2, CH, C double bond O, OH. C. Now formation CH2, C double bond O, OH. CH2, 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 C double bond O, OH. CH2, CH2. Adipic acid. The final compound adipic acid prepared. This video complete overall EAA. Next video we discuss about malanoic ester. Thank you.